In this era, where AI is sweeping through the manufacturing industry, and industries competing to pursue more AI scenarios and faster efficiency speeds. But what is real intelligence? 2 AI manufacturing sites of Haier in Qingdao, Haier Qingdao Water Purifier Interconnected Factory and Haier Qingdao Water Ecosystem Interconnected Factory have provided the answer through practices. Make technology root in user needs and let innovation flow into real life. This approach successfully earned them the EFESO Industrie 4.0 China Award 2025 in the AI Innovation Pioneer category. Haier Qingdao Water Purifier Interconnected Factory serves as the core hub for global high-end water purification technologies, covering the entire scenarios of household drinking and using water from UTS RO water purifier to central softener. With 95% of homemade manufacturing, it achieves full-chain autonomous and precision manufacturing from raw materials to the freshwater technology. With investment of 3 billion RMB, Haier Qingdao Water Ecosystem Interconnected Factory adopts a dual-driven approach of intelligence plus green technology to create a composite manufacturing site for commercial water purifiers and water heaters. Currently, the user's demands for water quality and safety are continuously increasing, while the industry faces multiple challenges such as precision manufacturing, cost increase, and environmental requirements. If technological innovation cannot convert to tangible peace and comfort for users, any efficiency improvement would be meaningless. Therefore, Haier firmly committed to upgrading AI from factory brain to life partner, ensuring that technology truly serves users.
碳棒是净水的心脏，它的烧结品质直接决定水的净化效果。面对材料批次差异导致的密度波动，传统固定的温控无法应对，而我们基于104万条数据训练的 AR 模型，为每一批次碳棒定制烧结温度曲线，结合远红外线技术实现动态温控，让滤芯孔隙分布均匀度提升至微米级别。这一切只为用户喝到每一滴水都清冽纯净。为了满足用户对冷热直饮、母用用水等多样化需求，一台净水器内部可能有多达113种水路组合。行业静态水检不仅无法检测缓慢微漏，残余水更可能成为污染源。我们以智能气密性检测取代传统方法，通过监测19个实时参数，捕捉最细微的波动，借助 LSTM 与贝叶斯网络，从9800例历史泄漏中学习，实现微米级漏点的秒级定位与根因分析，让用户告别漏水的隐患，享受零担忧的用水体验。
热水器的心脏是内胆，而搪瓷层是保护心脏不腐蚀的金钟罩。在搪瓷前，内胆必须经过除釉、除锈的关键预处理，草液浓度直接决定了清洁效果与内胆瓷油覆盖质量。过去依赖人工定时检测，手动添加试剂，浓度波动不够精准。如果内胆预处理不达标，会影响搪瓷以及产品寿命。我们通过部署光谱 AI 在线检测，实时感知试剂浓度变化。AI 系统通过历史数据与生产节奏分析，提前预警，自动补充，精度提升67%，使瓷油致密附着，让热水器寿命更长更稳。加热管的安装是热水器安全与性能的重要防线，需要绝对精度。传统方式扭矩控制不精，如果紧固不良，潜在失效的风险。我们融合视觉与 RFID 系统，自动识别螺栓初始角度与位置，在紧固过程中 AI 动态调整扭矩，优化力度曲线，实现滑牙异常的毫秒级抑制，紧固效率提升14%，实现紧固不良清零，确保每一位用户体验和安全守护。
As the industrial internet platform incubated by Haier Group, Cosmoplat relies on the powerful computing capabilities and deep learning abilities of Tianji Industrial Big Model researched and developed by themselves. Deeply explore full chain data from R&D, manufacture, quality control, logistics, and user experience to precisely match user demands with manufacture scenarios, powering Haier's intelligent manufacture to accelerate the continuously transformation of AI from the efficiency engine to life guardian. building a holographic AI factory ecosystem with capabilities of perception, thinking, and self-optimization. This AI revolution has never been about competing to see whose technology is flashier, but about ensuring that every innovation precisely meets users' demand. From factory to daily life, this is the true value of AI.